Hey peeps, how's everybody doing? I'm gonna go downstairs and show you what I've been working on my studio, my downstairs studio. You probably already saw part one of what I'm doing. Let me turn this around. These are my steps going down to my basement. Turning left. My workout room is a mess because I moved all the crap from one side to this side. We got to figure out what we're getting rid of. We've been donating stuff. But those are the steps that come into the workout room. But my wife wants me to knock that wall, or make a doorway in that wall so I can go into the studio area from that side. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Should I knock a hole in that wall? So the other side of that wall is going to look like this wall, basically. You know, I got my TV and stuff up there, a couple of shelves for the workout area. Got to turn the light on. Go around here. So this is the other side of the steps. So over here is where that doorway would come out, with a little step coming down, coming into this side. So I'll put planks on this wall, and that will be the wall that I start doing the videos of me painting on. So far what I've got done is I've got this closet area framed in. I've got the wall cladded on this side. I'm just using 1x12 common boards for that. And right now I'm waiting until we get some more funds in, get paid. House payment this week, so waiting on that. I built some shelves on the other side here, so I already got this basically stuffed full of everything, Christmas tree stuff, you know, a couple of doors that I got saved back, ladders. Gonna build shelves over here, got one on that side, one on that side. It'll be twin shelves basically, and then I'm gonna have some in the middle and switch it up and not have, these are basically 16-inch shelves. I'll probably go 2 foot in the middle just to kind of switch it up. I kind of want to have something along this wall. I don't know. I'm going to wait and see how much I fill up with these shelves. I might have to have some more shelves over here. I don't know yet. And I might just have put a wood wall there over here too, so I can hang more paintings and stuff, because I need more places to hang stuff. When I clad this wall, I've got some collectibles and stuff that I'm going to hang over here. I got, you know, hard hats. My dad, before he died, you know, he retired from Burlington Northern Santa Fe, the railroad, so he was an electrician. I got his hard hat, his tool belt. I'm going to hang all that over here. I'm going to hang a couple of sets of antlers, a couple of deer that he shot. I'm going to hang them all over here, along with some other stuff that I collect. You know, I collect hats, so I got a few of my hats hanging over here. Collect coffee mugs too, so I got, you know, a bunch of coffee mugs I want to put up there. I'll go over here and show you this little, I'm going to have me a pallet stand. So let me pull this out here for my painting palette. But I have some wood pallets, so I cut apart a wood pallet and made this little stand here. You know, I got a piece of glass. I put tape on the edges so you don't cut yourself, but that's what I'm going to use for the pallet. And let me flip it over here. I got those casters. I mean, you can buy them at Home Depot. That's where I got these, and screwed them to the bottom. That way you can roll it around. Make things roll. It's a heck of a lot easier. I like rolling tables. Put my pallet back on it, you know. And just roll that anywhere now. Roll it nice and easy and move it around and wherever I'm going to paint. So that's what I got going on. Still got a whole lot of mess I got to clean up. Getting stuff built. I'll keep you updated on the progress. Christ is King. Paine is out.